Hi, kindergartners! This week you are going to write about a special tradition that you have with your family. A tradition is a special activity that you do with your family every day, every week, every month, or every year. Some examples of traditions are meals or food that you make and eat with your family, activities or games that you do with your family. So if you read a bedtime story every night, that's a tradition. Traditions can also be the things you do on holidays or on birthdays. So if there's a special food that you eat at Christmas or a special activity that you do every year on your birthday, that's a tradition. Traditions can also be places that we go every week or every month. So if you go to church every Sunday or every Friday, then that's also a tradition. So your job is to think about a tradition in your family. Write words or sentences to tell about it, and then draw a picture. So you will think, write, and draw. Some questions and some sentence starters to help you are on this page. Ask yourself, what is our tradition? Who do you share this tradition with? Where do you go? What do you do? What do you eat? And what do you wear? Some of these questions might be more or less helpful. For example, if you're writing about Christmas or New Year's or Thanksgiving, you might be able to answer all of these questions. But if you're writing that you play a game every Friday night with your family, you might not need to answer the question, what do you eat or what do you wear? Pick the questions that make sense for your tradition. Here's an example that I made. So I said, my family spends time together every Sunday. That answers the question, what is the tradition? To answer the question, who do you share this tradition with? I wrote, I share this tradition with my dad, my aunt, and my grandparents. To answer the question, where do you go? I wrote, we go to my grandparents' house. To answer the questions, what do you do and what do you eat? I wrote, we eat dinner, then play dominoes. We eat chicken, vegetables, and dessert. I did not answer the question, what do you wear? Because it's not an important part of this tradition. After you do that, you can put all of your words or sentences together to tell a story. Here's mine. Then, make sure you draw a picture. On your page, you have space to answer each question. The pictures underneath the questions can help you understand. Make sure you draw a picture when you're all done. We can't wait to read your writing and to see what you draw. Thanks!